In this video we will show how to easily change the appearance of the diagrams. In Luna Modeler you can choose from several color themes. You can select a theme in the application settings. You can also use an even simpler way. Open your project and on the Themes tab you can change the theme with one single click. The diagram will change instantly. The theme is automatically applied to the user interface and also to all diagrams and sub-diagrams. This is an application level setting and therefore other diagrams you create or open will be displayed in your preferred theme. Additionally, you can customize the display on individual diagrams. You can make the main changes by clicking on the display button on the main toolbar to display descriptions and so on. You also have the possibility to change the options in the sidebar, where there are more settings. These settings are valid for each of the diagrams or sub-diagrams. This is useful if you only want to display important information or see more details of a certain part of your database structure. Main objects that have a custom color set will retain that color, it will just be displayed differently in the selected theme. Full color is more suitable for highlighting certain objects. For notes and text, if you leave the colors set to transparent, the text will be displayed in the dark theme with a light font color and in the light or white theme with a dark font color. Similarly, this will be the case with line colors and descriptions. It is also possible to use a dark theme that may be more suitable for your eyes. However, if you need to insert your diagram into a presentation or document, just change the theme with one click, export the image to PNG and then use it in documentation, blog article, tutorials, and so on. The white handwritten theme is ideal for this purpose. Then, again with one click, change the theme to dark and you can continue working in your favorite color scheme. Another advantage is the ability to generate HTML reports in the selected theme. Just open the report generation form, leave the style selection on theme-based style and change the theme on the Themes tab. Thanks for your time. For more information visit www.datinson.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.